Hey, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and today I'm giving away $250. We're going to announce the winner of our Week 4 Rider Build of the Week giveaway. Every week I'm giving out $250. So if you aren't in the contest this week, you need to watch the rest of the video so I can show you how you can enter. It's free, it's easy, and I would hope next week I can announce your name and that you're a winner as well. All right, so every week we're giving away $250. So far, we've done this 3 weeks. This is the 4th week, so that's $1,000 that I'm giving to somebody that deserves it. And all I need you to do to get put in place is to comment below. Share this post, comment below with a picture of your motorcycle, and tell me what you want to do in 2026. Give me a story. Tell me about you, why you ride, why you love your Harley, and what you want to do in 2026. And my team's going to read each one of these stories and pick somebody every week. This $250 is a store credit to volunteeraudio.com toward one of those upgrades that you're going to do this year anyways. So I want you to do that. Go below, comment now, put a picture of your motorcycle, tell us about what you want to do this year. So above in the description of this post, you'll also find a link to our website. There I want you to go put your name, your phone number, your contact information. You'll see a tab or actually a billboard right on the home page that'll lead you where you need to go. There you'll share your pictures and your story. Again, helps us keep up with you, helps us be able to contact you when you win. So let me tell you a little bit about this week's winner. This week's winner is a veteran. We love our veterans. We love our military here. We're celebrating the 250th anniversary of the United States, and without these heroes, we wouldn't have nothing to celebrate. We have amazing freedoms in this country, and we owe it to these people who have given parts of their life, some of them their entire life, to the military service, and we owe you so much. So we're so thankful for you here at Volunteer Audio. Our customer, and I'll get his name here in a minute, he's got a 2026 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. Let me tell you a little bit about his story, so keep in mind, everybody's got a story, and I want to share that as we do this. He says, hello, just bought a 2026 Road Glide. This is my 5th Harley, so he's a diehard. 5 Harleys in. I recently bought the Hertz Premium A to B Stage 3. It's actually the Stage 4 system from Volunteer Audio and installed it. Wow, the sound is mind-blowing. I'd like to do a new windshield. He wants some tab, exhaust, slip-ons, headers, handlebars, floorboards. Says he was wounded in Iraq in 04 and 06, and riding his Harley gives him relief. It says it helps with his PTSD, his survivor's guilt that he carries. Something about being on 2 wheels in a backcountry on the road, relieving his brain from that trauma. Listen, music takes us to a place. I love that you've got to already upgrade to the Hertz Stage 4 system, but when you get out on the road, you want to clear your mind. A lot of times listening to some good music just takes you somewhere that you can't go any other way. So I love being part of that emotional experience with you. Thank you for including Volunteer Audio and sharing your story. He volunteers his time with a nonprofit in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. What a beautiful place. With military veterans. They bring veterans up for a week trip, totally free. They teach them fly fishing, photography, wood carving, depending on whatever session they come to. This is a passion of mine, and among many things, he hopes to one day hike the Appalachian Trail, and he loves the outdoors. So as you get to do this, I know you're going to do it one day. When you come to the Appalachian Trail, you're going to be in the Great Smoky Mountains during part of that. We're not far from there. Beautiful place to bring your bike, ride the Cherryhilla Skyway, the Dragon, and all the other beautiful rides we have in the area. Bill Southers from Troy, Missouri. M.O.'s Missouri, yes. All right, Bill Southers from Troy, Missouri. Congratulations, you won $250 this week. I know you already bought an audio system. You're probably thinking, what am I going to do with this? Now, I don't have tab exhaust, but I would encourage you to look at Chromeworks. And I see you've already got some slip-ons on it. They also have something called a hideaway header. The header goes behind the stock heat shields. It makes it much more free-flowing. It's equivalent to doing a set of duals at a whole lot less money. So check it out. One of our team members will be reaching out to you. We'll be issuing you that credit, and we'll talk about what other things we offer for your bike, things that you might want to do. And I thank you for your service. We owe you so much. As part of that, I'm glad that I can give you $250 this week to hopefully enhance your experience on your bike, make 2026 an amazing year. And the rest of you, if you didn't win this week and you've already submitted, listen, you got to submit again. Every week I want to hear your story. So if you didn't win, just submit the same thing you did last week. Send me pictures of your bike. Tell me your story. Tell me what you want to do. It's free to enter. You can do it as many times as you want. Once a week, we're going to announce a winner. Next week, Friday will be Good Friday. I don't know if we'll have time to announce it on Friday. It may be that we do the following Monday, but I assure you somebody's going to win again next week. Thank you so much for following Volunteer Audio, subscribing on YouTube, keeping up with us on Facebook. Thank you for allowing us to do things like this. You watching, you purchasing allows us to continue to give back. And moving into April, speaking of which, 10% of all sales in April are going to a ministry that's close to my heart. We're going to give 10% to the Mount Pisgah Print Shop. They print Bibles. They give them to missionaries all around the world at no charge. And that is something that we've been led to do. So remember, in April, coming up very, very soon, any purchase of Volunteer Audio is going to give 10% to send Bibles around the world. Thank you all so much for watching. Easter is coming. We're excited about it. And as always, God bless.